Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. Alright, so the reason that maybe use ChatGPT, we don't know for sure yet, we'll find out. So the reason that we promote the $25 business in particular is mainly because it's affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income actually. So you get paid every single month, guys. Fantastic. So anyway, guys, you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, what we're going to do is look at our results here. It looks like we didn't get a sale, but we're not worried. We just started back up, so it's not a big deal. So we're going to refresh the page. It takes a while to build up, guys. Always respect that. It might take a while to do it. So anyway, we're going to refresh the page. Alright guys, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. Not a big deal at all, not a big deal. So the first thing we need to do is understand how to get you your links, alright? And the link that I'm using in particular. Now I've tried a couple of links, this is the one that works for me. I want to just make sure I analyze and tell you guys that I've tried other links, this is the one that works. That's just been working for me. Tried a couple of links. I even tried a couple of links while doing this. This is the one that got me the first sale, so I'm just gonna stick to it. All right, so this is kind of an experiment as well, by the way. I have no idea what's gonna happen, but I just want to show you guys exactly how to do this. So the first thing you want to do is get your links. Now you go to my description, you're gonna see step 1, step 2. Click on step 1. It's gonna take the step 1 link. It's gonna take you to this page here. Just basically the sales letter for the $25 business. Talks about what it is, what it does, how much money you can make. Ultimately, if you're interested in the product itself, it is a funnel builder for $25, which is actually a really good deal. A fantastic deal. So if you want to move over to it, you can. But the main reason we're promoting it is because it's affiliate program, which is just the most generous one I found, period. 80% is crazy. You also make $120 off of each customer, guys. Fantastic. So anyway, you decide you want to try the site. You go to yes, I want in. You put in your basic information here. Talks about getting your funnel builder here, and you go and complete the order. And once you have your funnel builder, you can then promote the funnel builder, so to speak. So you have to own the product to promote the product. One cool thing you can have though, there's multiple products in this system. One of them is HBA Premium. You can get that for free for 14 days. You use my link. Now what HBA Premium is training on how to promote the product on a bunch of different ways, like YouTube, Facebook ads, Facebook itself, whatever it may be. You want to promote, you want to go about promoting this product. I say try the one that you like, right? I kind of stay away from solo ads in particular if you don't really understand what you're doing, but anything else is pretty solid, especially if it's free, like Facebook groups or YouTube, stuff like that, podcasting. So those are the ones I kind of focus on. But anyway, guys, it's also an AI content creation machine. Absolutely fantastic. You use that as well. But ultimately, at the end of the day, guys, that's gonna be free for you guys, and you can promote this product when you have it for free, even though you can pay for the product. That's the main reason why I'm telling you guys to get it, because you could get $100 sale doing it like this. And if you get that $100 sale, all the more ready for you guys to stay in this. Love the program, promoting this program at that point. Anyway, guys, that's all there is to that. You complete the order, get instant access, blah, get your stuff, you sign in, do all the stuff you need to get your links. All right, so now we need to find a way to promote it. And if you read the title, you know what the promotion is. It's My Lead Gen Secret. That's what we use. So you're gonna click on my second link there. Step 2, gonna take you to this page here, My Lead Gen Secrets. What is My Lead Gen Secrets? Basically, you get some emails a day. You can email once a day. Like, you get leads that you can email once a day. These leads are very cold leads. Don't misunderstand it. Very cold leads, but they do work. You do get sales from it. It does work out. So what I'm gonna do here, we're just gonna post my next email that I want to put in here. So we're just gonna put that in here. I'm gonna use my next email that I wrote myself. Okay. this is my next email. So we're just gonna copy this. Boom, boom. And we just copy. That's it. So we're just gonna take that, paste in the email that I wrote myself. I actually wrote this for a completely different program, but I kind of changed it up so it'll fit well for this program. Just change some words here. So it's a really easy email to write. I thought it was a really nice email. Just gonna paste that, bold it, remove this. Isolate some stuff. Bold this. Gonna bold this. And this. Gonna italicize the underline it. Very important. So anyway, guys, that's it. That's the whole email that I wrote there. So we're gonna hit perfect timing. Now we're gonna hit preview. Now what perfect timing does, let me say this real. Perfect timing does send an email around time to people check email, so it's a good chance of them checking it out. So anyway, then we're gonna hit preview, and we want to make sure the link works. That's the reason we're checking the preview. Okay, that link works, and that link works. All right, so both of them work. Now one more reason why I hit preview here, guys. I want you guys to see emails. And if you want to copy this email, totally fine. I don't mind at all. I'm gonna give you a chance to copy it. Just pause the video and copy the email, right? So we're gonna go down here. That's the whole rest of the email. And you're done. That's all there is to it, guys. Copy the email, boom, you're done. We're gonna send an email. That's all there is to that. All right, guys, very simple, very easy, very quick, very concise, so on and so forth. You know what I mean? Anyway, guys, that all there is to that. Very, very quick and easy. All right, we send it and we're done. That's all it takes, guys. You do this every morning and you just slowly build up. That's the ideal anyway. So I'm just gonna make sure you guys understand how this is working, how to do this as well, and it's just the easiest way to promote this product. Now it's so easy to do, but if you want a more concise way to promote the product, the one thing that's worked for me when it came to promoting products really well right now is shorts. YouTube shorts, Instagram shorts, Instagram reels, and TikToks. Those are the three. Post of those three at least once per day. Something goes viral, never have to worry about money again. That's all there is to it, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.